So a brand new streaming application, new for October 2023, giving you a large library of TV series, different TV shows, some movies, and even some live TV content. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application has a really nice interface. I'm based in the UK. I'm not using any kind of VPN, which is one of the most common things I get asked, that why are all these applications designed for a USA audience? Well, this one I can tell you is definitely designed for the UK audience, and it really does have some fantastic content, and it doesn't even have any adverts. So all of this great content that you can enjoy across all of your devices, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, if you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or maybe your Google Play Store, I will be sharing the step-by-step instructions on how you can get this application across all of your devices. So make sure you do watch the video to the end. And just to confirm, I'm based in the UK and I'm not using any VPN to access the content inside this application. And let's start the application for the first time. Now you can see the application has a really nice simple layout. At the top we can see home, where we are now. Then you have a category section, you have series, you have movies, you have search. Let's start with the home. So here, for example, we can see some of the more popular content. You got Justin, you got Thriller Collection, you got True Crime, you got Real Detective, you have Australia's Top Detective, you have movies, Bloodline Detective, Crimes That Shook Australia, Murder She Solved. Let's just try one of these for a quick test. So let's just go for season 3, episode 5. Let's click on that. Let's click on play. Click on accept. And literally in a couple of seconds, guys, without seeing any pop-ups, any adverts, any interruptions, we are straight into that content. That's working great. And that really is a fantastic HD picture. Let's go back. You can see, guys, we've got many episodes for that. You've got season 2, season 3. Then you got the Vintage Vault. You have Inside Crime, Evidence of Evil, Murder Book, Sci-Fi. Let's try this good old Star Trek Deep Space Nine. I was always a Star Trek The Next Generation kind of guy myself, but this was also a good one. Let's just try one of these. Let's go for episode 23, Family Business. Click on that. Just to show you that it's not just one episode or one season or one show. Every single thing in this application, it's working straight away, and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free, completely officially, and of course 100% legal. Okay, let's back out of that. Facing Evil, Murder Wall, Fatal Vows, and then you have Legend, and of course you can obviously scroll to the right. Lots of different things in here. Let's go back. So that's all inside home. Let's go to categories. Say, for example, we can say that, you know, we are only looking for specific content. So if I'm only interested in thriller, I can now filter out the content and just see the thriller based content only. You have horror, adventure, fantasy, crime, lots of different things in here. Western, comedy, British crime, investigation, drama, space, lots of different things. Aliens, serial killers, forensic, psychology, US crime. Let's just try a random one. So season 17, episode 5. Click on that. And again, within a couple of seconds, no adverts, no pop-ups, we are straight into that episode. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's go back to the top. Let's look at series. Series, we've got lots of different things in here. Everything from your Judge Judy to Psychic Eyes to Star Trek. Lots of different things in here. Now, I think the movie section was actually quite small comparatively, so there's only maybe a handful of movies in here, but we'll try one just to confirm that even the movie section is working fine. Here's The Haunted. Click on play. And within 5, 4, 3, we're in the episode, or we're in the movie, and that's working great. So overall, guys, CBS Catch Up, brand new application available directly on the Amazon App Store, on the Google Play Store. Doesn't require any kind of VPN, doesn't need any registration, has a great library of different very popular content that you can access directly from the homepage. So definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, just press the home button, go over to search, and just type in the word CBS, and you're looking for CBS Catch Up. That's the latest version there. Now, if you can't see this in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, what you can also do is go over to Downloader, and we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can always type in the short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go, and that will take you directly to my website. Now, when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines, let's click on that. Click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how we can get this new CBS Catch-Up application on all of our devices. Let's open that up. Here we are. So completely free, 100% official new streaming application. Lots of great content, lots of different channels. Keep scrolling down. We have the step-by-step instructions. Underneath all of that, I've actually got 2 separate versions. So in case there's any kind of compatibility issues, maybe you're running an older Firestick with an older version of Android, I've actually added 2 versions. So the main one, the most likely one to work, will be the first one. So try that one first. Now, if for whatever reason the application doesn't open properly, or maybe it crashes as soon as you start here, go for the second version there. But overall, guys, as you've seen today, definitely has some great content, and the fact that it doesn't require any registration, I'm not using any VPN, I think it really is definitely worthwhile checking out. Another thing that's also worthwhile checking out just for the next 2 weeks is this new special offer from IPVanish. As you can see, this is an exclusive price where you can get that total protection. You can cover every device in your household, all of your Fire Sticks, all of your Fire TVs, all of your Android TVs, all of your phones, tablets, Windows PCs, laptops, all of your devices will be covered with this single charge of just $2.99. So it is 76% off. It is a superb deal. As you've seen with the VPN, it does give you very, very fast speeds, even faster speeds when you use the WireGuard protocol. There's no bandwidth limits. They have a 0 logs policy. Using my link does help support the channel. So many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. It is only just for the 2 weeks. I definitely recommend you check it out. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.